Sorry, give me a second. I gotta start up everything. Just getting some water. Okay. Hold on. Where did I put this? Give me... There it is. Okay, okay. And we'll plug that in. Put it all. All right, there we go. Oh. Anyways. Let's plug that in. Whoa, okay. Yo, what's up, Rep? Takes me a second to realize different names. Okay, where's the start? It's this, right? Yeah. This is the start. So let's rotate that. Oh, why is the rotating off? 180. And then move over here. Okay. We'll do that. Move down. I don't think I need any of this either. Yeah, the one with dividers? Yeah. And then I think I also need to just do... What did we do before? Was it 15? I don't remember the angle. Whatever. We're fine. We'll figure it out. Gotta delete all my Lego pieces. Okay. Oh, and it kind of curves right there. Okay, that's cool. Let's just do all of this. I'm gonna fix all the marbles. I'm back. What happened? Oh, nothing. I entered it in and now I'm trying to move everything to test it out. Ooh, I got something in my eye. Hold on. Okay, so I think I'm gonna change what actually spawns them because these spheres kind of all fucked. Can I shrink them? Oh, I can. That's even better. Never mind. I can use that. Okay. Let's delete all of these. Move here. And it works. We don't have any obstacles, and it's highly possible things will fall off. But let's just try it out. Let's go to maps. So it loads. Play. Colors that don't match itself. Oh, I didn't put a start button. It's kind of hard to play if you don't... Or maybe I did. Maybe it's just not... Hold on. What if we full size it? There we go. Why is it so badly taking forever to load? No, I forgot a start button. Well, when I revamped the UI, why is it... Come on now. Okay. Let's go in the UI. Main menu. Wait, no, it's not main menu. It's level game menu? Yeah, that's awkward. I'm not gonna... Yeah. Oh, it is broken. See? Oh, I didn't fix the text. Hold on. What if you click? Well, this play button goes into here where it's the level select, and then this is where you start the race. I can rename the buttons later. I haven't decided on what to set them as, but originally what I had is that this said start race, but then when you click that, you end up going over here, which you're not really starting anything. And then, oh, fucked up. They fell through. I think I forgot to put collision. In the mesh. Here. Can we then do... I forget how to do it. Hold on. That's not what I wanted to do. How did I do it last time? That's how I did it. Okay. I hate meshes. Okay. Now we should be good. What did I do to the marbles? I think I flattened them on accident. And it looks really troll. I'm gonna just let it play out to see first. To see if it actually goes through the track. I think they're just gonna go straight off the edge though. Yeah, I don't have any borders. I think the actual natural borders are pretty thin though. Hold on, let's go into the level. Marble race, I think. I'd have to put invisible borders throughout everything to actually test the whole thing out. I think they're getting squished because I squished it here. What if I revert it back to normal now? And then we'll go back into my menu. Yep, it was because I was squishing it. I'm gonna end up just changing the what's the word I'm looking for? What's spawning them? Because right now I'm using the player start, but I don't like that it's using a capsule. Hey, look, 2 of them didn't die. Success. Should I shrink the leaderboard? Also, thanks for everybody stopping by. If you guys got questions, more than happy to address them. I'm just gonna work on my stuff until other people have stuff to bring up. Why are they jumping? Because I don't have the invisible wall set up yet. I have to individually move them throughout all of it. Oh, now they're all dead. So if I were to go into Marble Race, see all these invisible blocks? They're just little collision boxes, and I have to set them up to the walls of everything. While they're going straight. Oh, they are jumping. Well, it was... Yeah, it looks like it's skipping. Well, one thing is this isn't connected. That's not actually going to cause it to be skipping, but that's probably a little thing. I'm not sure why they're skipping. I can tell that they're separated in sections here where you can see the slight lines. I wonder if that's because of the collision. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, let me know, because I can't tell. I also need to set it to where this mesh doesn't block camera. Here. All right, there we go. Maybe I can make the marbles heavier. Wonder if they'll still skip. Oh. Sorry, I clicked off of the screen. Yeah, doesn't change that. I just like to see how far they can go in the track. Yeah, this is when they fall off. Rip. I might have an image I could just throw up on here. Not accurate images, but I don't know. We'll just throw up two different things. Doesn't matter to me. Yeah. Pretty sure this is not how I start the race anymore. So we'll do... Oh wait, no, I left that on purpose. If I ever want to add the ability to move for whatever reason. Sent you a new track. Oh, okay. Let me reopen the map. go over here. And then this one. Import all. Do. Yo, if it loads today. My Unreal freeze, is that what happened? It did. Okay, hold on. Gotta restart it. Love that. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I just think whatever you did, Unreal is not a fan. Yeah, because it just looks like it freezes when I upload it. I'll give it like a couple more minutes and then I'm just going to keep the one we currently have for the moment. Oh wait, there's loading. Well guys, today's stream is about looking at progress bars. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, come on now. I don't think it's going to work. If it does, do something heavy. Send a new one with smoothing. Okay. Let me close it once more. Oh, wait. Yeah, it looks like it just did something weird. No, I shouldn't have tried to open it. Yeah, something weird happened. It's fine. I'll try the new one. Alright, so that was a normal speed. But what's this? Did you mess up on the mesh, or is it importing incorrectly? Oh, I can't even see through it. Anyways, let's use what we got. I don't know why I'm all over here. Okay, let's go into tracks and do place actor with test track. Okay. Right. Collision. That's a thing. Custom, turn off so camera's not being blocked. It's complex. Oh. I don't know what that sphere is. Okay. Around, I don't know, 17. Oh, they're still bouncing. I mean, the bouncing may be because they're going too fast. So it's kind of like a rock skipping on water. Like the marbles are just going too fast. Are these 0? Wait. Try that. I guess they weren't scaled all the way up. I don't think that's gonna change it. I still think they're gonna skip a little. Ooh, hold on. Can I not control the gravity? I think it has to do with the collision vortexes. There's a number of options on collision options you went to. Okay, I mean, if that is the case, I'll play with that later. I don't want to mess with collisions for the next 40 minutes. Straight off the edge. Anyways, I will have to put borders, and I think it'll be a lot easier to enjoy it. Plus, I can put in a lot more of the obstacles. All good. Let me know if you need changes. Well, one thing is, can we fix this crack? There's a slight crack. Alright. Where did I put the other one? Oh, it's right here. anyways, let me fix this to 0. And then we'll change this to 0 as well. Oh wait, you have it on a downslope naturally. Shit. It's not flat. Alright, we'll just undo this. That idea is not gonna work. Okay. Hey everyone, to all the new people that chimed in, if you have questions on really anything Unreal related, feel free to ask. Happy to help. Otherwise, I'm just gonna work on my stuff. Timestamps. Okay, cool. What is this angle? 7? Kind of? No, it's like 8? Kind of. Anyways, that's fine. Dun, dun, dun. Do I want to do this for the next hour and a half? I don't know if I want to do this whole time, I'll be honest. I think I'm gonna work on some UI stuff. Or actually, I'm gonna work on an idea that I had for my stat component. Hold on. I think it was this one. I also need to open that one. Okay, so I want to take a look at the stat system I made, and then I need to make sure to make a copy to play around with. Because I think I have a way that I can do bonus attributes and then also have a total. I just have to figure out how I want to like map it all together. Because I'll work on my idea and kind of explain as I go, but I have to first delete the current one here. Yeah. Just delete it. And then we're going to migrate this one into the correct folder.
was doing. Didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Should have everything I need here, and then I close this one out. Hold on, I also forgot I was supposed to do something else. Okay. So one thing, I need to make sure the player, not that player has the stat system. I think it's fine. And then I also wanted to fix the UI. Let's do replace wrap with size box. Desired on screen. I don't know, 1,000? It's like 600? I don't know. Okay, that should be fine. Let's go back into UI. There's a debug function I have to create, which is 1. That is not what I wanted to do. Okay. Figure out why this stuff isn't working. Stat system. I don't even have an event graph here, so. What errors am I getting? Add attribute is failing. Trying to get care info. Oh, okay. That's where I messed up. So under third person, I forgot to put a character. Okay. However, the UI is a lot bigger than what I want it to be.
Hoy pienso en que
Whatever. We'll wrap it with a canvas. I don't care. This is for test purposes, so. Zero 0.5, 0.5, 0, 0. All right, there we go. That looks a lot better. What was our gain stats or gain XP function? Do I have a gain XP function? I don't think so. Okay, let's do a debug Q. Add attribute value. Let me decrease this, increase this. Okay, should be a little better. Where's XP? Do like 100. Let's do like a. Let's do append. Add XP. Q. The only thing is, if I end up doing an item that gains stats, it's gonna recalculate based upon level. Okay. I'm gonna have to basically rework all of these. But I think I can create a new enum based on whether we are adding the default stats, the bonus, and the total. Okay, let's try that out. Go into enums. Wait, why do I have enum and enums? Okay, we'll delete that. It's weird. We'll call this, I don't know what we would call this. Attribute. No, let's do list attributes. And then we'll delete. And we'll do default attributes. Bonus. Actually, no. We'll just default bonus total. And then if we did like a switch on list, we can add another attribute of elist attributes. Also, this should say select attribute. What should I call it though? I can't say like list attribute because that makes no sense. Because we have the default, we have the bonus, and we have total. And then I would need a label to separate between what they mean. I don't know. Attribute type. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. And then from here, we'll move that up, plug that in. And then depending on this, we'll do select attribute. Actually, let's get rid of none. Default could be that. That's fine. We'll do this. And then now I need to store the bonus and the total. So let's label these category attributes. Then we're gonna copy bonus. Guess we could call this like default. And then copy that. Just total. And I think, can we plug that in? Okay, cool. Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay, plug that in. I'm basically gonna have to rework all of them to do the same thing. But with that, yeah, everything's gonna be broken right now. I get it. Yeah. We'd be able to store all of the stats. All right, what's everything broken? Invalid. Just go to default. Yep. Scale attribute. Yeah, that's fine. Default. Where else are we broken? Okay, over here. Okay. How am I gonna rework all of these though? I guess. If I was to add an attribute, I'd have to do all of this. So I'd have to turn all of that into... Okay, so let's add here. Attribute type. Let's move this up. Come on. Go up. And I'd basically have to make this macro. Would that work? Attribute. No, I can't do the same name. That would make no sense. Add attribute value. I don't know. Macro. Let me figure this out. If we move this down, Hmm. This is filtering through to pass along the correct value. So, hold on, let's go back for the macro. Okay. So if I plug that in, and I did get attribute type, this should always get the value of one of these three. Let's move this over here. I don't like that it's off. So do I ever have to... I think I would have to provide the map. To make sure it's populating the map. So what if I add another return? Just do attribute map. And then what if I turn that into a map? Let's do attribute. And then this is a float. Plug that in. And then from here, every time I add things, I can just plug that in. And if I go to subtract, I can do the same thing. Delete this, plug in the map. Actually, let's do this. Let's put the map on top. So let's reorganize this. That makes a little bit more sense. Okay, let me close all of these. Okay, now the map is on top. Now I can use the default, the bonus, and the total whenever I want. I don't think I'm ever gonna... Well, would I ever add to the total? I would probably just add both the maps together. Time is it? Okay. Let's just make sure all of these are doing all right first. And then I can test out the bonus to see if it works at all. List. Select attribute. I have to retype all of them. Dang. Select. That's not what I meant. Select attribute. Attribute type. Okay. I think that fixes this function. Wait.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you move,
We'll do set attribute type.
it's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Attribute. Attribute type. Oh man, that's gonna be one hell of a video to have to record. Because that just does attributes. I haven't even done stats yet. Okay, we got this all correct. Select attribute, select attribute. Moving along. All of these look all right. Can I plug that in? Scale stats, level up attributes. Actually, I don't need to do that. Well, yeah, I do. I lied. Okay, now let's try to see if I can add things to bonus, and then yeah, continue. Why did that fail? Level up attributes is not mapped. That made no sense. Okay, that was weird. So let's close all of these so it's not super cluttered. We need to have bonus. I think on how I want to do this. So when we level up, we do all of this. But basically after all of this, level up all attributes, we go in here, we're leveling up everything, we update all the stats. And after updating all the stats, we need to have another function. Combine total. Let's can you even add? No, I don't think so.
You can't just... But I have to go find... No, because I'm not adding there. I would have to do 5. And then do add. And then from here, I would have to grab the total. Set. That would be set attribute as total. And then I plug that in. I need another macro. Total attribute. And then from here, plug you in, plug you in, and then I don't know. Let's go back. Update total attribute. And then from here, can have an input, select attribute. Oh man, this is a lot of work. Okay. Okay. So that's how I could always get the value, and then every time attributes type not equal total branch select okay. How can I get the bonus stats to work here? As long as it's not the total, I would need to then update total attribute. With the select attribute. Oh, wait. Hold on. Disconnect that. Disconnect that. I don't want this running on. It should only run on here. It's not the prettiest thing right now, but I don't need to make it pretty at the moment. Okay, so every time I update strength, agility, intelligence, it'll update. Wait. Shit. No, that's not gonna work. I'll need to plug in the attribute type into here. Because then otherwise I'm only updating the one every single time. Okay, so let's go back over here. I need to now clean all of this up. Okay. Theoretically, I should be able to add stats now. So let's do... Oh, why did this not compile? Okay. Let's see. When I press 1, we have basic stuff. But I'm not getting XP. And that's because... XP should be in total, I think. And if we go to our debug, let's change that to total. Okay. Still not getting XP. Maybe... No, let's leave it back at default. Let's put this back at default. Let's Let's go back into our add attributes. Instead of this, I'm just going to connect all of them. Okay. Huh. I'm not getting any. Hmm. The stats are setting correctly, but XP is not. I should have all the basic values, right? Let's turn all of these to 0. On event begin play, we set the starting attributes. So depending on attributes, if we end up selecting, there's no game slot. Then we end up updating all of these. And once we update all of these, do I need to do update total? Let's do update total. Oh. The total attribute. And then we'll do strength. We'll do agility. Intelligence. I mean, in retrospect, at this point, I could just do like the same function, and then I could just set what attributes to scale. I could work on improving that later. Let's just try to get the stats to make sure they work. But I didn't do it for over here. Let's move these over. Date total attribute. Wait. These are stats. Shoot, that's not the same thing. Okay. XP still broken? Infinite loop detected. Oh, okay. I know why there's an infinite loop. I accidentally closed it out. Hold on. The reason it's infinite is because the event graph starting attributes update stats. Oh, wait. Why is there an infinite loop? Level up. Level all attributes. Update stats. Okay, so the starting attributes, if we have them, we're going to update our stats. And by updating our stats, we're going to update our strength, agility, intelligence. And then if we go over here, pretty sure this is maybe what's causing the loop. Yeah. But now stats aren't connecting at all. If it is not equal. So as long as nothing equals that, we should update total attributes, which we combine the bonus and the default. So let's do another print string. We'll do a E key. Whatever, we'll do 3 key, that's fine. And we'll do an attribute check of XP in total. So I'm gaining XP, but nothing's happening. So my function to just gain XP does nothing here. Attribute check. Huh. Let's close all of these. It's more. Default attributes, bonus attributes, total attributes. Okay. We're finding the stats. So why is it I can't add XP? We're checking the stats. And then afterwards. Oh, did I do it backwards? No. No, I did it right. Yeah. As long as the attribute type is not the total attribute, then we will update total attributes. And then otherwise, we don't. Okay. No, that seems right. The XP we're checking here. Something's not adding up and I gotta figure it out. Finding the attribute, we're adding them together and we set the new value. We'll add a breakpoint. True. Okay. Add attribute. What is the value? 0. How does that make sense? Level up. We have 3 values equals 0. Zero. It's just not reading it. I wonder if I'm just like filtering through too many enums and it's just not fast enough. Or is it because the map is not properly connected? It's just passing along the values and it's not really adding it. In which case, I'd have to do something like switch. Let's do all of this. And then we'll do default. Plug in. Select. Isn't this just add? Oh, well, I can't do add within. Oh, yeah, that's add within add. That makes no fucking sense. All right. Attribute check. Isn't that what I'm trying to fix? I need to properly add this. So, I mean, I can do that, but it'd have to do this, plug that in. Oh, wait, go back. Plug that in. And I don't know, we could do like that. And that would be the default. Did I not copy the return node?
return, return. Let's do this. Highlight all of that. Collapse to a macro. I don't know. Macro, add attribute. Would that even work? Or would that just replace the exact same issue I was just running into? Where it's not actually adding because I was passing along. Whatever. We'll find out right now. Let's see. Bonus total. Plug that in. Well, it's adding stats, but it's not displaying them correctly. So one step further. Hey, Thomas. Okay. So I was able to add them, which means delete all of this mess. Scroll that down. I don't even know how these act. How does select stat work in here? Oh, is it just because it's in the macro, I guess? I'm not sure how that actually makes any sense, to be honest. Because it's using a local variable. Anyways. Big fan. Great work from what I've seen so far. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Right now I'm testing some ideas that I have to possibly make the stat system a little better. It's a little chaotic at the moment, but I'm sure during the video it'll be a bit better. And if you're talking about the common UI, I'm going to be doing some more videos on those as well. My brain is just scatterbrained at the moment. Trying to figure out how to get this to work. Because I'm going to have to do the same thing over here. With what I did here. So I'm going to have to switch the list. Let's copy all of this. Plug all of that in. We'll do select attribute. Move all that over here. Instead of doing that, we're going to do default. Wait. Oh, this is subtract. Okay, that makes more sense. I was like, am I doing the same thing I just did with the other function? Okay. Plug that in, and then we're going to highlight all of this. Create a macro. We'll do macro subtract attribute. 2, 3. Bonus total. Bonus total. Boom, boom. Plug that in. Okay, we'll plug that in. Boop. That was add, subtract, and now we need to do set. So we're gonna have to also do drag that down. We have to switch list. Get rid of that. Plug that in. Delete that. Copy. Create macro. MC. Wait. I messed up. Hold on. Plug that in first. And then we'll do default. Plug that in. Do I even need this? And then we'll plug all of this grossness up. Super disgusting to look at right now. And then from here, I have to do select attribute. Plug that in. Now let's highlight this. And then now we can create a macro because now it plugs everything in. And then we'll name this MC set attribute. And then get rid of all this mumbo jumbo. Okay. Wow, it's still a little horrifying to look at. Okay. Bonus total. Bonus total. How good are you at game mechanics? Decent. It really depends on what you're looking to do. I can at least point you in the right direction, give tips, etc. It just depends. I know I played a lot with AI as well. Well, not AI, but computer AI, like behavior trees and stuff. Oh, okay. Set attribute, subtract, add, check. Okay, my stats are set now, but my level in XP is not. Okay. XP, default. Oh, XP is getting subtracted more, which makes no sense. If we are subtracting, target map. Oh. Oh shit, that doesn't make sense. My subtract doesn't make sense. Okay. This is the add. This one makes sense because it's connecting directly and then it has the attribute type, but this one doesn't have attribute type. It does over here, so I think I could plug that in. And then plug that. Nope, it doesn't work because I created the macro afterwards. Oh, okay, go. Copy this, go into subtract attribute, paste, do this. Plug all these disgusting nodes up. From here, plug that in. And then from here, we need to do like default find. Plug that in. Plug that in. Okay. Let's move that over. I think this will be a better macro. Ooh, great. What do you mean it failed? It's failing. Okay. Move that down. Move that down. Should I just redo all of this? Attribute type, attribute type, attribute type. That's better for the set, but for subtract, type, type, type. This is such a mess to look at, and I'm disgusted. Okay, let's copy this, go back into our subtract attribute. Delete that, paste. Plug that in, plug this in. I don't need that. Do find. We'll do select attribute again. Plug in here. Does that work? Yep, cool. Okay. MC subtract attribute. Oh wait, hold on. Gotta delete the old one. MC subtract attribute. Let's also fix this one so it has a space to match the rest. I don't know why it says it has 2 target maps when it's just 1, but that's getting weird. Let's move this down, straighten it to make it look a little more sense. Should be the same one for both. You don't need a second. Okay. Yeah, cool. I don't know what that is. Whatever. Okay. Copy, paste, bonus, total, bonus, total. Oh, this has been a great time to work on. Let's see. Okay. So add as all the attributes are being set, they are matching the select stat, and we're missing attribute here. I don't think we need to do that because we can just do find and plug that in here. And that's fine. Okay. Everything compiled correctly? Okay. Gaining XP correctly. Gaining levels. Let's see, I'm at 21, 25. Okay, cool. My debug just needs to be worded a little better. But everything is adding correctly, at least to the... So this is current XP. And let's do... in stack check. Let's get rid of this, because I don't use that anymore. But we'll do... what is it? Attribute check. Total XP. Plug that in. Okay. Why would I do current when I'm doing current right there? Okay, added XP. $100. Sometimes my brain doesn't math. Okay. That's working. Took me about 45 minutes to get that to work. But now let's try to add bonus stats and see if our total comes out. So let's see. What other key are we not using right now? The 3 key. Debug 3 key. Add attribute. We're gonna add a bonus of strength. Just do 2. Let's do bonus str. Plug that in. Okay. We have 9 strength. And if we gain a level, we should still have 2 more strength and agility. And we do. So now I have bonus 6 strength. Okay. Let's do 4 key. Attribute. No, let's do... oh no, we don't need to do another key. So instead of doing bonus right away, we'll do attribute checks for all 3. So we're gonna do attribute check for default, bonus, total. Actually, yeah, no, I'm gonna do a debug 4 key.
Oh, I'd be happy if this works, because then all I have to do is clean it up, and then I can do a video on it. Should be a lot easier. So we'll do total is going to be the top one. Total. Plug that in. Then we'll do copy, copy, plug that in. Default. And bonus. And just change all these to strength. Make sure that's plugged in. So let's gain a couple levels. And then what was the key for gaining 3? Okay, so we have bonus 6. Means we're at 16. And then 4, 10 strength. And if we gain a level, let's gain a lot more. We're level 10, 21. Done. 23 strength. 15 plus 8. Yeah, it's working great. Oh, man, that took a long time. Is my health scaling correctly, though? If I'm at 115, and now I'm at bonus 16, 1,550. Okay, my health is going up. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah. That means under scaling, scale stats. Level up attributes. Awesome. Well, I achieved what I wanted to do. What are we at? About an hour 50? Anybody got any questions about UI, stat system, Unreal, life? I don't know. Don't ask me questions about life. I'm not doing well on that either. Do. All right. Well, I'll be cleaning this up a lot more, and then I'll be doing a video on it probably sometime this week. I am going to be doing some common UI videos on just individual widgets, like the tab list. I think that's going to be one of the first ones I do, just because I don't see a lot of resources out on it. So, otherwise, if nobody has any questions, I think I'm gonna just end the stream here. I got to do a lot on this that I have been taking my time on. But yeah, thanks for everybody that was watching. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. All the self promo stuff,